Love is in your soul. Your price is higher than gold.
Hey guys, welcome. Every time for start. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time that you're clicking on my video, I am Sasha. Welcome, so good to have you here. And also for all my returning subscribers, thank you guys. I'm seeing that I am at 190 odd subscribers. We're so close to 200 subscribers, and this would not be possible without you guys. So I want to say thank you guys for your continued support. Like, I deeply and genuinely appreciate it. This wouldn't be possible without you guys, so thank you so much. Road to 1K, God's will. So yeah, on to the video. So by the title, guys, you know, I want to do a series on my channel where I talk about different medicinal bushes that you can boil as tea and use it for medical purposes. So today I am going to be showing you guys two different bushes that we use here in Jamaica, and I assume other places in the world. These two are well known here. The first one is called French thyme, and the second one is called pepperillo. I think that's how we pronounce it here in Jamaica. In other countries there might be different name. For one, I know that French thyme in Mexico is called the Mexican mint or the Mexico mint. One out of the two based on my research. So what I'm going to do is tell you the uses for them, and whatever I can't remember, I just have my phone just to, you know, just to remind me of what the uses are. So yeah, it's so good to have these to use, especially if you have it in your backyard. That's why we always say eat what you grow what you eat. Time like this, we need to have these medicine bushes around so we can take it. Not saying it's a cure, but it helps the body, it helps the immune system. So yeah, I want to educate you guys based on what I've been told by my folks, and continue watching. So this is the French thyme, guys. I'm so sorry if it looks ruggedy. This is why you don't come into your garden, come record, because the flies, the birds, the wasps, they are coming to play, and I am not in the mood to play. Okay guys, so this is a French thyme. I think they also call it in Mexico the Mexican mint. So it does smell like mint. It smells so good. Like, this is how it looks up close. I don't know if my camera is doing it any justice, but this is how it looks. So what you do, just have some boiling water, then you put the plant in and boil it until you get that green tea like color. You understand? So this, from my knowledge, is good for coughs and cold, sore throats, and what else do I see again? Okay, what I don't know, I'll just read on here so you guys can have, or you can research it as well. But I know, aside from using it as a spice for your dishes, it's also good for coughs, colds, sore throats, nasal congestion, and it's also good to treat insomnia. So especially around this time, if you're having trouble to sleep, this is good for you to boil and have it before you go to bed. And yeah, it treats insomnia. There's research based on what I'm reading here. And it's also good to relieve certain skin conditions such as abrasions, lacerations, and burns. Didn't know that though. So what you do for those type of skin conditions is that you rub the juices of a few crushed leaves over the affected area. I did not know that. The leaves of this plant can also be added to a head wrap to relieve headaches. Really? This plant is very versatile. And I also heard it's poisonous to dogs and cats and another animal. Forgot what it was, but that's based on my research. Don't know if it's true. If it's not, correct me down in the comment section. But this is a good plant to have during this time especially. So yeah, thumbnail. So this is the French thyme, aka the Mexican mint. So yeah, it's mint smell, so it's actually like a mint bush. So I'm also reading before I end this, it's also easy to grow. It can be grown indoor and outdoor, but we mainly grow these indoors, like, yeah. And whatever else, what didn't I get that you guys should know? But we really know this for cough and colds and sore throats, and you know, it's flu season. This is helpful. That's what I really know it as. But as I'm researching, I'm seeing that people use it as spices for their food. So they would use it in their soups and for seasoning, for certain poultry dishes, for salads. I did not know that, but now you do. So if you have these in your backyards, now you know what they're good for and you can put them to use, you know. So cup of this a morning time or whenever you have the adequate leaves is good for you. So yeah guys, so this is the French thyme or the Mexican meat. So guys, last but not least for this series is pepperillo. Okay guys, like, I apologize, these came fresh when my dad carried them. They were fresh and ready for use, but it's also good when they're like wither like this, especially you just pick the leaves off, boil your water, add the leaves and wait till it simmer down to that green tea look. So please excuse that. I don't know what you can really see from this, but this is what it looks like. Again, I apologize, but this is what they call pepperillo. Well, every time I record, if I'm a bus, if I'm a dog, if I'm a bike, we just with them pass. Alright, so as I was saying guys, yeah, this is what it's called, pepperillo. I've been told by my mom, my grandaunt, and my dad this is what it's called, and I've heard this already, so I guess they are right. Who knows? I've been searching it for additional information. I don't know if I'm spelling it wrong, but I'm not seeing anything come up as pepperillo. But if you guys know about it, comment down in the comment section, tell me more about this plant. So yeah, we can have a little discussion going on. But when I ask around, they tell me it's good for belly. So I guess it's belly pain or anything to do with your belly gas. Well, we Jamaican call any little pain we feel gas, and it's not always the circumstance, cause gas, I don't know, I don't want to go into all of that because I am not a doctor. But I was long time when I was on Instagram, there was this Jamaican doctor talking about there's no such thing as gas pain. He gives the medical term for the pain that you might be feeling, but we Jamaican, if we don't drink tea, say we're used to drinking tea and we don't, then we feel pains and we call that gas pains, or if we're feeling any little pain. Y'all, if you're Jamaicans, you know this already, how it go with gas pain. So we always boil with tea with a ginger, with a what else we do with boil again? Pepperillo. We can even use the French thyme, you know, all that good stuff. And we use it, say, to bust off gas, especially the ginger tea. Anyway, let's skip from the topic. So yeah, I know this is for belly ache, as they tell me, and pain. I don't know what type of pain, but they say pain in general. So yeah, I guess this is good for pain and belly aches. It's a good source of vitamins, of course, good for your immune system. So you just boil your water, pick off the leaves, of course, because you're not going to use the stems for any bush tea, and let it come down to a boil, and then when it's ready, you'll know, and then you add your sugar and you drink this, you know. As I guess you don't have a duration as long as you have the plant at hand, and you know, sometimes you don't want any tea bag, you want something organic or something all natural. So these plants are very beneficial to your body, and I hope you can find it around, have your neighbors, whatever, you know. If you have it in your backyard, plant. This is the time I feel like we should be planting these things, you know, finding more natural things, because God forbid, but if it comes to a point where we can't go out and get things at the store, what are we going to do? Are we going to make way for farming and do a little bit of farming in our backyards? You know, are we going to just starve, or going to make use of our gifts of our hands? You understand? So these things are very good to have. alongside your banana tree, your tomatoes, you know, your coconut tree. If you can grow it where you are, that is, of course. And there's so much that's out there. So yeah, I like this little series. So this is just the 2 plants I am showing you guys for today. I hope you enjoy it. I know it's not a lot, but you know, this might make a difference, I don't know, to someone. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. Until next time, bye. Bye guys. So guys, just following my mom, she decided she wanted to plant some. What is sweet sop? Really?
This is sweet sop. This is
sorry guys.
This is pear tree. The next pear down there. I'm trying now to plant it.
Wait. What you saying now about the trees?
I'm saying this tree is
Nooni.
no,
So what's up?
This tree is
So what's up? Sweet sop or sour sop?
sweet sop.
You just tell me it was sour sop.
This is pear tree. Now I saw about next one down there by the tree.
Okay. So when you go by there, so we are going to plant now. Let me see them.
Okay,
What are these?
Kalalo seed.
Kalalo seed is so small.
Kalalo seed.
You get it off of the tree up there, so.
Yeah, put it here with that. Try and sprinkle them to see when they come.
So you just sprinkle them anywhere.
Yeah, when they come. I don't think it's the right way, but I'm going to try and as I get it out of the first tree, that's a plan.
So you just simply dash them anyway.
See when they come. We're going to get it with the water now to try and wet up the beds.
Guys, so this is the callaloo tree that this is the callaloo that my mom planted, and the top part where the little seeds are, she kind of took some and threw it around the backyard to see if she'll have another plant just like this one. So let's hope it comes up just like now. So as you guys know, during this time it's good to have like natural source, would that be drinks or bushes that can make tea with, you know, or fruits or vegetables. It's so good to have these foods around. So I'm just showing you guys like what you can use to make tea with, and this is the hibiscus plant. I think my mom called it Rila, but it is hibiscus basically, because this is the flower. Well, right now I can't see any that's actually bloomed. This is the one I can find just to show you it is hibiscus. And what we'd normally do is boil the leaves. Yeah, you can boil the leaves, but I don't think it's when it's this green, if I don't lie. I think it's when it's a bit more dry. Or you can use it just like this as well. Yes, you can. My bad. So yes guys, if you have this in your backyard or neighbors, you can ask. It's good to boil these. I think according to some studies research, it is good for I think bacteria, get rid of bacteria within the system. In some surveys it's good for lowering blood sugar. Don't know how accurate these are, but you know that it is God's creation, God's trees, and you know that can't be a bad thing, you know. unless you're probably using a plant that they say is poisonous or something, just saying. But these are good. So if you're looking, I'm going to research more, and you'll probably see me writing in this video the benefits, but I know that these are good, and if you have these, you can use them. Okay. And this tree as well, guys, as my mom say, it's called sour orange. I don't know how accurate that is, but I know it's some citrus fruit close to the lime, you know, like lemonade. You can make juice with it, but you can also use the actual leaves to make lime leaf tea. So we normally just pick it and boil the water and add it into the pot of boiling water, and it makes you a good cup of tea. It's actually smell of lime or lemon. It smells sweet actually. So this is a good source of vitamins. If you have these around your backyard as well, go ahead and you can use these as tea. I guarantee that. What you're planting this time now? Gungo. So what are you just doing? Taking the cutlass, digging a hole. So you know what the hole first, you just full basket of cocoa. Yeah, I know. But you know the same, we say one cocoa full basket.
So we can come in the cove, you know, get some gungo to soak the gym. And to put some rice and peas.
This is what I'm talking about, guys. Grow what you eat what you grow. So basically hit gungo and we are planting back here now. So you just cover the dirt now.
Just cover it now.
So what you do? Different hole? A lot of gungo you using?
Different hole with one.
Let me see container with gungo. Can show the people. Wait, let me just kind of like. Alright. Make it do your then. So you're gonna go water it when you're done? After you're done, dig the hole?
Yeah, when you get the hole already.
Okay. Alright, I'll leave it to it then. I'll leave you to it. Share farmer, you know. I think we want to farm at this house. Not this place. Look at this, guys. She did the banana tree as well. Look at how it come. We get about how much bunches of banana we get so far? 3 bunches so far? You sure enough 4? Okay. But I think this is enough farming video for the day. Don't you think, Mom?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna finish it right here. Say bye bye to the people. You know, look for the people.